This is the back. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do braid out on stretch blown out hair. We're going to use this products right here. We're going to use the curl cream and then the styling gel, and for my oil butter I'm going to use this shea butter right here. So we're gonna use that to seal the product. So let's see how it's going to turn out. Done. I'm gonna let it dry, then I come back tomorrow and do the braid out. Thank you for watching. It is 2 days later. I am going to do the braid out. I put some oil on my hand. we got definition, a lot of definition. This is the back. So we're gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna fluff it or anything. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I could like separate it a little bit more, but to make it like fuller, but I like it the way it is now. There's one up there. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think it's nice, beautiful, very like curly in definition, and I get a lot of length, so which is amazing. But yeah, this is the braid out on stretch natural hair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.